Hi everyone, it's Stu here from 3B. I just want to do a very quick video on the reason why there is no update that I've provided on a YouTube video of the settings for 1231.5, which some regions are getting. The main reason for that is in the UK, we're currently stuck with 1230.5. So my recommendation to those that are on 1231.5, because I noticed that they didn't get 1230.5, would be to use the settings that I used, and then you can tweak them from there for 1230.5. So that's the reason why I've actually not done a sort of calibration and review video for 1231.5, simply because I've not had it. But I imagine, given the fact that 1230.5 kind of only hit a few countries, and then they immediately went to 1231.5 and missing 1230.5 in some of those countries, that maybe the differences are pretty small. And therefore, by using the settings that I provided in the 1230.5, which you'll find a link, probably a little card will pop up somewhere around here or there somewhere, then you can check it out. But yeah, that's the reason why. I will be doing more videos this week and throughout the coming weeks. An interesting video of a very dodgy looking projector. It should prove interesting. Okay, have a great week, and I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.